Hi, I'm Dr. Dipanshi and I'm a certified veterinarian. And here is the list of things that you should never give your dog. Again, I'm making this list. Why? Because yesterday I heard when pet parent told that their dog during evening time drinks tea and coffee along with milk bikkies biscuit. So here's the list. You should not give bread, milk, chocolate, coffee, tea, ginger, garlic, onion, and chapati. That is also not very good. Then our toothpaste is there, human toothpaste, that is also poisonous. Chocolates, breads, cakes. You should never give those. Raisins, nuts. It's a big no for them. Please don't give them.